here's a quick way of doing the ears, right? So if we look at so let me see the head. So the head rotation goes like this, right? So what I do, I'll copy this. So which one's rotating? So I would say this one's going forward, right? So that's Y. So I'll go into Y, delete the end, and just paste that. Cycle it. Let's see how that looks. All right, now what I'll do, I'll just start exaggerating this. See, you're getting a bit of movement there, right? And if you want, you can make it a bit less. So you don't have to make it move that much. Now what you do is you copy that. So we'll copy that. And then I'll come here like this, put a key on one, and then go to all of the rotations, Y rotations, and paste it in. Okay, cycle it, and you'll see it moving like that, right? And then what you do is you go to this one here, just move that by 1. Then the next one, move that by 2. And the next one, move that by 3. 1, 2, 3. And the next one, move that by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, before you know it, you got a little secondary motion there, right? And if you want to play around with that with a bit more, all you do, you can select all of these, and then you can start playing, and then maybe start moving. Move it a bit more, all of them together. And then even you can start just moving it up a bit. See if you want. And down here, if you want a bit more flap. Or another thing you can do is just select them all in scale. Oh, no, that don't work. But you can do it like that. And then you can come in and be like, all right, maybe I want the top. Maybe I'll have the top 3. And then maybe I want this one a bit more. And maybe I want the third one a little bit more. Right? Just to create a bit of movement. Make it feel alive. Or you can just bring them all back and just have it normal offset. And then the same on the other side. So what you do, you go to the other side. And it's the same thing. So I would select all of these. And just key the first bit. Again, select all the Ys, rotation Ys, and paste. And you'll see, right? You'll see it all starts off in the same position. You've cycled it, and then all you're doing is exactly the same thing. You're just selecting the next one, and you're just moving it in. Select the next one, move it in by 2, 1, 2. Next one, 1, 2, 3, and the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's just a quick way to just get something in so you can quickly kind of review it, right? And you know, if you really want to make it a bit more natural, what I do is I tend to select one of them. Could be anyone. Select them all. Go in the graph editor and play it, and just have one offset maybe 2 frames. So it's not happening at the same time. So that really just makes it look a bit more natural. I will do that. And there you've got, and then you can always tone it down if it's too much. So what we can do, we can select all of these and just, well, you could just bring it down a bit if you want. Just bring the controls down. But the other one's the same as well, I think. That's the same, yeah. Yeah, it's the same. All right, that's fine, yeah. So you've got, I think this was offset a bit more, so we just do one. We'll do that a little bit more. And offset that by 1. And that by 1, yeah? Yeah. Okay, just to get a bit of movement there, let's offset that, bring that back. I think that's too much, man. There's too much going on there. We should bring that down and bring this down. Let's bring it down. So if it's too much, just tone it down. There. That's better. Yeah, so you've got a bit of movement there, so it makes it look a bit alive. And then that's how you do the legs. It's pretty quick, just to get something in there if you want to show it for review. Then you can start just playing around with each one and making it a bit more offset or a bit bending a bit more. So it's completely your style, you know. It's all subjective how you want to do it. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video, guys. We'll do the face next, and then we'll call this one done. Okay, we'll do the run next as well using this. So, but yeah, so I'll see you in the next on these quad series. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Hey guys, so again, like I said, you know, Maya Animation Mastery. If you like that tutorial, there's more of these tutorials in my course. I teach a lot of practical stuff in there, and it's just I put more practical stuff in there because the more you practice, the better you're going to get, you know, with the right guidance as well. So I'm teaching what my mentors have taught me, and I'm passing that over to you guys. And also along with that, 22 years of experience in video gaming industry as well. So if you like it, check out this description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and also 70% of you who come don't subscribe, please subscribe. The channel is growing. It's getting bigger now, slowly. So let's try and get that 10,000 mark now. You know, we're not far off, and I'll see you in the next video. Get off the screen, go for a walk, train, you know, also look after your health, guys. All right, I'll see you in the next video.